So where is this dish from today? So this is a split pea dish that is reminiscent of polenta, and it's from the southwestern region of China in Yunnan. And they'll typically top it off with things like chili oil and black vinegar and peanuts. So you know that it's going to be packed with flavor. So I can't wait to show you guys the recipe. I've soaked a half a cup of split yellow peas overnight, and I'm going to be blending it with 2 cups of water and adding about a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. I'm cooking this split pea mixture on about medium heat, and you'll start seeing it coagulate on the bottom, so make sure that you're always stirring and that this also doesn't get too hot as well. But as you cook it, you'll see that the peas start releasing their starches and this whole mixture gets thickened up. And right around the 10 to 15 minute mark, it'll start having the consistency of sort of like a thick cake batter, and that's when you can take it off the heat and then pour it into the molds of your choice. Now, you want to let this mixture cool and then stick it into the refrigerator for a couple of hours so that it has completely firmed up. And typically you can find this as a street food in Yunnan, and what they'll do is they'll let you take the whole thing home like this because it's more convenient. But what you're supposed to do at home is to cut it up into kind of like long sticks so that it's more like noodle form before dressing it with any of the toppings. Now, for me, I love this bowl. I love this whole shape, so I'm going to be cutting it inside the bowl just for presentation, but you guys can do whatever is convenient. Now, I made some chili oil with you guys a couple days ago. That is going into play right now. Super red, super gorgeous. I have 2 tablespoons of that, and again, I'll be putting the recipe all down below, but just some soy sauce, some Changking vinegar, classic combination, all of these things together. Some peanuts, some garlic, some cilantro, and it's really up to you guys. Some people will put some sesame seeds in, some people will put some sesame oil, perhaps a little bit of sugar as well, just to balance out the flavor. But that's about it. Just about the whole kitchen sink, right? But those are really classic combinations that I've put in here, and it's super good because of the vinegar. There's like salt, there's everything in this dish, and the split pea jelly underneath is just really creamy and really rich, and not necessarily a texture that you would get just from, you know, ordinary noodles. Anyways, that's it for me today. Let me know if you guys are liking these recipes. I know they're different, but I'm hoping that you guys do try them out because it's so unique and it's actually really, really good. As usual, if you want to see more recipes like this, please remember to hit that like and subscribe button, and I will see you guys all again next time. Bye!